Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change or replace your Zoom profile picture if you already have one set. Whether you want to update your current photo to a new one, this quick guide will help you do it easily. So let's get started. First of all, open the Zoom app on your Windows computer. If you are not already signed in, go ahead and log into your account. Once you are inside the app, look at the top right corner where your profile picture is displayed. Click on it to open the drop down menu. Now, from the menu, click on Settings. In the Settings window, you will see several tabs on the left. Click on Profile. Here you will see your current profile picture. To change it, simply hover your cursor over your profile picture and you will see the pencil icon. Just click on it. A new window will pop up, allowing you to upload the new image from your computer. Click Change Picture to select your new photo, select a new one and then adjust the positioning if needed. Once you are satisfied, hit Save to update your Zoom profile picture. And that's it. Now you know how to change your Zoom profile picture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.